Okay, we're gonna be replacing the spark plugs on a 2014 Mazda CX-5. Okay, so what I like to do is before I install the new spark plug, I like to match it, make sure everything's the same, which they do. So we're gonna go ahead and replace them. Okay, so I went ahead and loosened them. So after that, you go ahead and install it in your socket. Mine has a magnetic, so it won't fall. So you just want to make sure you gently put it in the hole. Turn it a couple times. Then I'm gonna use my electric ratchet to put it back in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that to all four. Couple threads. Okay. I'm doing this slowly because you don't want to crush this little end part. Okay. Couple turns. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use my ratchet, electric ratchet, speed up the process. Okay. Okay. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and start coils back. Then we're gonna install bolts back on. Put a couple of threads in it. Okay, so we ended up removing the cover. So all you do is just pull it out. It's held on by this little rubber grommet. Okay, and then here we have four coils. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the connectors, which they're for right here. Then I'll go ahead and torque these to 14 foot-pounds. Damn again. So now with the 8mm socket, I'm gonna go ahead and remove these bolts. Put these on the side. Put the gun. Okay. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and connect the connectors back. So you want to put it in. You want to hear it click. There you go. So you know they're all the way in. Here's the last one. I'm gonna double check, make sure it's secured. And then that's how you replace the spark plugs. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the plugs. Okay, so with the little flathead screwdriver, you're gonna go ahead and push the little clip down. And then when you're pushing it, you can see how I pushed it down. You just pull it out. So essentially what I'm doing is I'm pushing this down, and at the same time, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. So we're gonna do that to every four connectors. There we go. Put them on the side. Okay. Okay. So what I like to do is I like to loosen them first and then use my electric ratchet to speed up the process. There we go. Okay, now with the 14mm socket, spark plug socket, I'm gonna go ahead and remove them.